Since its inception in 1955, the Integral Coach Factory has manufactured over 50,000 coaches, the highest by any coach manufacturing unit in the world. Located in Chennai, the ICF was inaugurated by the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. The manufacturing giant is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure like Robotic Spot Welding Center, Robotic MIG Welding Center, Axis Machining Center, Laser Cutting cum Welding Machine, and the list goes on. High-quality machinery in ICF ensures precision quality of coaches. With installed capacity of 350 coaches per annum in 1955, ICF reached the 2000 mark in the year 2016. It achieved another historic landmark when it surpassed the target of 2,500 coaches in the financial year 2017 to 2018. The factory sets a target of producing 3,200 coaches in 2018-2019.
When we manufactured 2,277 coaches, we became the biggest manufacturer of coaches in the world. But our sights are much higher. In the year 17-18, we ended up manufacturing 2,503 coaches. And in the present year, our target is above 3,200 coaches, and the way we are going, I'm sure we will surpass it. ICF is fully equipped with its own design center, very good manufacturing facility, and it can stand up on its own from the activity of concept, design, engineering to build.
ICF's latest Train 18, which is a high-speed train, has taken Indian Railways to a different benchmark. It is a semi-high-speed train which is self-propelled and is without a separate dedicated locomotive. The factory will soon roll out T20, a successor of Train 18, to showcase its capability on technological front. The factory also boasts of an all-woman team, Mahila Shakti, which undertakes different tasks ranging from heaviest fabrication to light work.
Women are working excellently, giving quality on par with other male counterparts also. As working women, they are having dual work, both at office as well as at home. They are doing more hard work and full quality, whatever the challenging role they want to take, they are readily accepting those things and all.
ICF not only manufactures coaches for Indian Railways, but also exports to over 12 countries. It will soon export 78 diesel mechanical multiple unit coaches to Sri Lanka. ICF is also known for its environmental friendly policies. It meets most of its energy requirements through renewable sources of energy. The factory continues to evolve with hard work and coordination among staff and management to deliver the best for Indian Railways.